Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add page number formatting or add page labels in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now click on this arrow and select your page thumbnail option and here right click and you will find this page labels option. Click here and I will add page label all of these pages and this page label style. I will add Roman numeric number. Also you can add alphabetic and number. Start from first page. Also you can add here prefix. You can skip first page. Type here page number 2. Early start page number 2. Now select OK and see this. To for started page labeling. Also you can edit it. Select page labels and so on. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.